All right, check this out. I've been talking about this slider since day one of this build. I think it turned out awesome. Right there, you can see the slider is going to go to the left and to the right, and that whole corner is going to be exposed. This is a beautiful update on this. I just now seeing it, and it looks just as good as I thought it was going to look. This is the date palm, and it's going to be a pretty incredible floor plan. Look at those big double doors. As soon as you walk in, we got sun tunnels everywhere. I want you to see, I think I showed this to you guys before. I'll show you again real quick. I'm gonna shoot through the wall here. Bam. Look at that master bedroom window. Beautiful. You're gonna have a lot of light in this home, so it makes it really nice so that you can enjoy the outside. You know, Florida's big for that. Everybody wants to see lots of light in the homes. And we've got this huge, very grand front porch, and it's really going to look nice too. I want you to check out this texture. I like that texture. It's a little bit different than what they're doing right now on all the different stuccos, but it's going to look really nice. Let me know what you guys think.